Hi! In order to explain you how the demand function works, let me give you an example. Imagine that you go to an ice cream store after seeing this video and ask for one flavor. How much are you willing to pay for it? Okay, I'll give you some time. Okay, let's assume you are willing to pay €2 for one flavor. And let's draw that in a graph. Along the horizontal axis we are measuring quantities, so the number of flavors that you ask. And along the vertical axis we are measuring the price for each flavor. Okay, so we have this point, one flavor, €2. Now imagine that the guy in the store asks you, are you willing to have one more flavor, and what is the price that you want to pay for this additional flavor? Maybe you don't have to pay €2. Maybe you can ask for a discount because you are asking more quantity. So let's say that you want for the two flavors €3. So that means the average cost is €1.5 per flavor. So then we can also draw that point in the graph, and just connecting the 2 points you will understand that the final expression is P, price, equals 2.5 minus 0.5 times Q. If you don't understand this expression, you can see the video on linear functions in the Maths for Managers bridging course. Otherwise, you will see that it's very easy to get there. But this is just an individual demand function, but the market needs an aggregate demand function. So let's consider another one. In here, in the example of Peter, the demand function is 4 minus Q. So how can we sum up these two demand functions and create the aggregate demand function? Well, first rule is you cannot sum prices. You have to sum according to the quantities. That is, if at zero price you want 5 flavors and Peter wants 4 flavors, on the aggregate at zero price you and Peter want 9 flavors. So that is the first point we need for our aggregate demand curve. Now, at price equal to 4, you are not willing to get any flavor. So the only person that will consume will be Peter. Peter will consume until the point or the price that you are willing to consume, which is 2.5. So then we take advantage of Peter's demand curve, and at the point of 2.5, what happened is that your demand curve will shift away so that we create this aggregate demand curve, and in the end it matches the point where quantity is equal to 9 and price is equal to 0.